Can we solve this with DESMOS? Let's take a look. So we are given this equation, and a and b are positive constants. The sum of the solutions to the given equation is this, k, a4, a plus b, where k is a constant. What's the value of k? So let's go ahead and first take this equation and place it over here in DESMOS. So we get this. Now, since a and b are positive constants, we can just select something for a and b that are positive constants. So let's just say a is 2 and b is 3. Okay, so that gives us a quadratic equation, and you have these solutions for that, 0.1875. So I'm just going to write this basically we have k times a plus b, that is our sum of the solution. Let's call that s. That's equal to, let's add these two up now, which is 0.1875. So that's going to be 0.1875, and then let's go to the other one, which is 0.5. So let's go ahead and add that. So 0.5. So that gives us this, and now we just have to do one more thing. We just have to put our s and then put the tilde sign and write this out here, which is basically finding a regression with what we need to find for a plus b plus b. Okay, so and that gives us the answer right here. K is 0.0625, which is basically 1/16th, and that's what we also receive when we do it algebraically. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, let's look at the algebraic solution now. We're going to use what is known as Vieta's formula. So that is when you have a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then the sum of the roots is given by minus b by a, and the product of the roots or the solutions of the quadratic equation given by c by a, and a, b, and c are the same coefficients that we always look at, a, b, and c. Okay, so the first step is we are going to find the a, b, and c parts of this quadratic equation. So 64 here is clearly the a. The negative 16a plus 4b in parentheses, the whole thing is going to be a b. So you see the b is going to be this whole thing, and c is ab. Okay, so now let's go ahead and write down the sum of the roots or the solutions or the x-intercepts, however you may call it. And according to Vieta's formula, it's minus b by a. So what is minus b by a? Minus of b, which is minus in parentheses 16a plus 4b, divided by 64, which is a. So this negative becomes positive. So now we have 16a plus 4b divided by 64. That is the sum of solutions or the roots that we have calculated. Now we're going to set this sum of roots that we calculated from the equation equal to what is given to us, k in parentheses 4a plus b. Okay, so 16a plus 4b divided by 64, this is what we calculated right now using Vieta's formula, equals what's given, k times in parentheses 4a plus b. Now we're trying to find some equivalence here. Okay, so we're going to take 4 common. So in parentheses we have 4a plus b, so if you distribute, you get 16a plus 4b. So we took 4 common, and then divided by 64, and I'm going to go ahead and take 4 divided into 64 and get 16. So I'm going to write 1/16th of 4a plus b equals this k in parentheses 4a. Let's look at equivalence now. Now 4a plus b equal to 4a plus b, and 1/16th is then equal to this k term, and that is what we are trying to find. K equals 1/16th, and that is going to be our final answer because they're asking us what is the value of k. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. In another video, we can go ahead and derive Vieta's formula and where it comes from. Okay, have a nice day. I'll talk to you next video. Bye.